Hey guys! Stuff falling down. It's me and it's that little Georgia Peaches, and it's time. We have like not one, but two bark boxes because we didn't open it last month. So you're gonna see how excited she is, what toys she gets, what toys this baby's going to get, and check it out. We'll be right back. For some reason I stopped recording. I don't know what that was about, but we got like a juice box. Only it says margarita on the bottom. Isn't that cute? Pool boy pockets. Pouches. Pool boy pouches. Got a squeaky inside. And yes, we like that. We like that very much. Where's the other one? There it is. And this is my favorite. Look at this. It's a floaty toy with a little unicorn. And the unicorn head. Ooh, and this is going to be a good, I can tell now this is going to be a good tug-of-war toy. All right. There's these two toys. Woo! Right there. Go get them. Which one you want? Get them toys. Get them toys. Then we have the goodies. We have the pork stick recipe. These come like every month, and they're a definite. She likes them a lot. And then you get like some different kinds of cookies every month. So this month we got Wakey Wakey Soft Bakey Bacon and Oatmeal. Ooh, bacon and oatmeal recipe. Let's see what we think of these. Bacon and oatmeal. Like the first one that she got, I don't think she really knew what to do with the treats. But then once she like got them, she was like, "Oh, yeah, this is good." After she ate like 2 of them, all of a sudden she was really into it. So come on up here. Turn around so everybody can see. What do you think? Okay, kind of looks like, yeah, no? She's kind of bummed because she wants to go someplace else and eat it, but, you know, I'm not letting her go, so. Right there, eat it right there. I don't want everybody to see me eating. Mommy. Oh, yeah, there it goes. There it goes. We got crumbs. Oh, yeah, she's, yeah, okay. It's gone. It's gone. And then we have jerky bites. Lamb recipe. Let's see. These actually smell very bacony. So some lamb. What are these? Lamb bites? Lamb recipe jerky bites. Yeah, they're smell like dog treats. Alright, you want to try this one? Come on, come back up here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn your booty around. Okay, sit. 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 No. Turn around. Now sit. 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 Right there. Right there, sit. There you go. Okay. Okay, so I was trying to get her to sit up, but she's like, no, we do that on the floor. We don't do that on the furniture. So she won't do it. But there you go. What do you think? Okay, this one we can get up in the jaw a little bit, which is good because she's teething and everything. She wants everything way up and then back teeth. Oh yeah, that one disappeared in a heartbeat. So yeah, she definitely, I'm thinking this is a plus. And I already know the pork sticks. She loves them. So we got two new toys, pool pouches, and a little unicorn floaty. I think that's just adorable. Okay, let's see what's in. Yeah, now she's looking at the other box going, hey, what's in this other box? Okay, this is this month's box. That was last month. This is this month. This one is Jackpot. So, looks like it's about Las Vegas, maybe? Woo! Okay, we got... I have no idea what this guy is. No idea. Show Squirrel. She likes it. she likes it. This is Show Squirrel. Behind the squeaks. Received your pup's favorite window seat to the show. Alright, it's got a squeaky, a crazy crinkle, whip it and flip it, and long and strong hair. So, yeah, this is definitely going to be a fun toy for her. Ooh. Squeaky's a little, there we go. It's a little hard to find, but there it is. Yeah, she likes things that she can, like, take and shake. Take and shake. Alright, there's that one. And this is Behind the Squeaks, multi-part toy, 3 squeakers and a crazy crinkle. Ooh, this is Pup Chips. So, she gets, there's 3 chips for you know, going to Vegas, and a little chip tray. That's pretty cool. Oh, you know, we're going to find these all over the house. It crinkles and they squeak. This is going to be a fun toy. And it's like 4 toys in one. That's awesome. Here, Jake. Jake's in charge of taking the plastic off. She's still into this one. Let's trade it out for, here. Jake, take the plastic off of that one too. Okay, let's see. Alright, we got chicken. The last ones were pork sticks. We got chicken stick recipe. These are made with real chicken, and they're made in the USA with domestic and imported ingredients. Alright, as you get the... Oh! Okay. Yeah, these are good chewies. I mean, it doesn't take her long to destroy something, but these are good chewies. She really likes them. Oh, she's going to be happy. She's got all kinds of goodies. We got Clucky Jerky Nibbles chicken recipe. Let's see what these ones look like. Woo! Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. These are a little bit tougher, like more crispy, crunchy than the other ones. But yeah, she doesn't seem to be having much problem taking care of that. Let her eat her snack, Jake. I'm doing a film.
Okay.
Here, eat the snack. Eat it. That's good though, because if it's chewy enough, then she can get it up in the back too. I went out and got her some of those greenies, you know. You have to be careful with those though, because you can't just feed them. You know, I give her like one every day, because you know she ate a rat, and you ain't kissing me with that tongue that you ate a rat with, unless you were getting something to get the rat. Yeah. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, so this is bacon and cheese recipe, Wakey Loops. Whoops. Main ingredient is bacon. Yeah, main ingredient is bacon. Okay, these look kind of like the other ones, only they're more like loopy. Yeah, they're like Fruit Loops, only bacon instead of fruit. What do you think? What do you think of that one? So these ones are a little chunky, a little harder than the other ones are more like chewy. But yeah, she doesn't seem to be having a problem. She likes them all. So you guys, this is like the medium. They're not indestructible, but they're like a grade above. You know, they're kind of the medium indestructible. Wow, that's $350 chip right there. She's like, yeah, so where's the food? So guys, we pay about $25 a month, including shipping, for these. What do you think? Give me your opinion. I think that she's just sitting down here going like, give me the stuff. Give me the stuff. Oh, now she's sitting pretty. There you go. Anyways, I think it's well worth it. I am getting a little bit of a discount because I signed up for a year, but they don't like charge you all at one time. You just get charged once a month, but you're committed to, you know, getting it for a year. So we've got like, I think 9 more months to go. Come on. And we've got, you know, our little Disney princess dress on today. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's good. God knows she's going to have enough toys after a year. We ain't going to need that no more. But it's a lot of fun. And especially if you have down. We're learning not to walk on the coffee table. Oh, I hope there's nothing gross in there. Okay. Y'all know with a pup. Y'all know it's like a land piranha, okay? You know, big puppies are land sharks. She's a land piranha. Just everything. So basically, the more toys she has, the better it is because it helps to keep her off of furniture. And I don't mind her being on the furniture. It's the eating of the furniture. So guys, this was a lot of fun. She's busy playing with her toys and she is having a good time. Until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing, boom, boom, having a puppy every single day. Bye-bye.